Under the Users menu, you can create new and modify or delete existing users who will have access to the system. Click on the New button to create a new user. The type of the users can be normal or technical. System users will be normal users. The technical users are to manage device access. The name of the users stands for the full name of the user for identification purpose, and the username and password will be the login credentials. The API key for technical users is used to identification instead of the password. Role management is possible on 3 levels: central, branch group, and branch level. On the Role tab, you can decide this user is entitled to which roles in the actual level. You will see a selector button on the sides and on the bottom of the matrix. With the help of these buttons, you can easily check if a user has the same roles in each and every branch in the level. For example, the administrator user is an administrator in all branches, or another user has all the roles in only one branch. On the Language tab, you can select the default language, which will be used to display the system text in the given language, and the available languages are used to set the selected user to be able to handle tickets which were issued in that language. On the Others tab, you can set the external ID for the user, which is an optional field and can be used to store an external ID, such as the user's CRM ID. The email address field stores the user's email address, and the avatar is used to associate the user's profile with an image, which will be displayed, for instance, to the customers upon service selection on the ticket dispenser, in case the clerk selection is enabled. The synchronization of the users from external directory service, such as Active Directory, is also possible. This topic is covered the external systems part of this training. User groups can be created to serve statistical purposes in the User Groups menu. The User Group's common settings covers the name and the description of the user group, and on the User tab, you can incorporate the selected users. In the Roles menu, you can review and modify the out-of-the-box permission sets, or create new, customized ones. After providing a name and a description for the role, you can set from which role should it inherit all existing permissions, which will make the role have all the permissions set, which are configured from the selected roles. On the Permission tab, you can fine-tune the rights of the role. For example, you wish to add permission to the Statistics Viewer role, so the associated users will be able to play the voice recording recorded during the transaction at the counter. Or, for instance, you wish to remove the clerk's ability to be able to call directly any ticket from the queue, but instead, they should be only able to call the next ticket assigned in the queue. In this case, you remove the full access of the role, then select all of them and find the direct call permission and switch it off.